Hi! Welcome back! In this video you will be learning about how long does it take to double your capital. Okay, let's introduce the idea and concept with one example. Suppose you put your savings in an account paying 6%. How long does it take to double your capital? This question is the same thing as asking what is the period of time for which your amount function equals twice your capital. And solving for this equation, you actually get that t equals 11.9. Next, you will be learning the so-called rule of 72, which can be used for approximating the time it takes to double your capital. But prior to introducing the rule of 72, I have to remind you about some aspects of Taylor's rule. Okay, so what is depicted in here is the function logarithm of x, and using Taylor's rule, actually we know that logarithm of x can be approximated via a line that passes through x equal 1, and that line is given by y equal to x minus 1. So Taylor's rule implies essentially that logarithm of x is approximately x minus 1 for x close to 1. So you're ready to learn about the rule of 72. Okay, so the rule of 72 is based on two approximations. On the one hand, by Taylor's rule, we actually know that logarithm of 1 plus y is approximately equal to y for small y. Also, we know that logarithm of 2 is about 0.72. So if we go back to the previous expression where we've had logarithm of 2 and logarithm of 1 plus y, we replace by these approximations, we get that the time it takes to double your capital is given by 72 divided by p, where p equals 100 times your interest. Again, you actually get that it takes around 12 years to double your capital. The take-home message from all this is the following. You want to have a rough approximation of how long it takes to double your capital? Just compute 72 divided by p. That's it. Some final comments are in order. The principles discussed in the previous slide extend way beyond the example we've analyzed. Also, observe and note that the time it takes to double your capital does not depend on the initial principle. Finally, the rule of 72 was introduced by the mathematician Luca Pacioli, whose portrait you can see there. The next video is about the frequency of interest payment. If you're enjoying the course, please consider subscribing the channel. I'll see you next time. To make the most of the learning experience, you may want to consider buying a copy of the book on which these notes are based, as well as a professional calculator. Just have a look at the links in the description of this video.